Alright, we have here HP Folio. Folio, it is the G1040G1. Folio 1040G1. We're going to replace the keyboard. And the keyboard that we've got is a non-LED version, non-backlit version. And by the looks of it, there is two screws there, one screw here. Hopefully it's the right screen. Customer bought the screen themselves, so we're not sure. Let's open it up, have a look. This is a business model, so it should be nice and easy to replace. So if the keyboard was like that mounted, so the screw holder will be interesting. This doesn't seem right. Very interesting. This may be an incorrect model supplied by the customer. Let's remove the battery and have a look. Now we do see symbols here for a keyboard, meaning you need to remove the battery. By the looks of it, this is actually a different model. So one screw holder there, the other one is there. So if you imagine it like this, another one under the fan, which doesn't really make sense. I'll just have a look online to see what part this is, see if it's the correct part they've got. Okay, so this is an incorrect model keyboard. Unfortunately, we cannot go ahead with this repair, but at least you've seen partial disassembly. Keep the video posted if anyone else wants to see the internals. It uses a DDR DDR3 low voltage RAM. And this assembly of this laptop is extremely a lot of work. We'll quote them for a new keyboard, and if they go ahead, I'll make a video update to this later on. That depends if they go ahead. If not, then that will be it for this laptop. It's got a SSD there, and that looks like a M2 2280. It is not an NVMe.